Hello guys. So today we will be discussing regarding number systems. So as we all know that this number system chapter is very important in CAT. This is one of the most important chapters among the entire syllabus of quant for CAT and also for other parallel exams. The CAT 2020 had directly 2 to 3 questions from this chapter. Moreover, questions from the implications of this chapter has given weightage in the past few years anything between 20 to 30%. So you can understand that having a clear view of the concepts from this chapter is very important. You will get much more help while going forward while preparing for CAT exam and other parallel in MBA entrance exams. That the other chapters also has implications of this chapter, the number system. So understanding the concepts of number system and the basics of number systems is very important. So let's move on and come to the main chapter. The number system. Now the number system is basically of two types, the real numbers and the imaginary numbers. Now the real numbers are subdivided into two categories, the decimals and the integers. Now the decimals are again subdivided into finite or terminating decimals. But these are the decimals which we can say that like here we are having the 0.25, zero point 0.2 or anything like that. On the other hand, the infinite and non-terminating decimals are those which doesn't terminate. Like the 0.25, these are terminating. But if it is 0.333 and it continues, then it is a non-terminating decimal. Now the infinite and non-terminating decimals can be subdivided into two categories, rational and irrational. And the rational and irrational. So the rational numbers are those which can be represented in fractional form, like a by b. And for example, 0.333 can be written as 1/3, 0.666 can be written as 2/3, etc. On the other hand, the irrationals can't be expressed in the fractional form. We can't write root 3 in any fractional form or pi in any fractional form. So these are the difference between the rational and irrational numbers of the infinite non-terminated decimals. Now we have integers. Now what are integers? Negative integers, 0 or positive or natural, positive integers or natural numbers. Now the negative integers are obviously the -1, -2, -3, etc. On the other hand, 0 is obviously 0, and positive or natural numbers are those like 1, 2, 3, anything like these numbers are positive or natural numbers. Now within this positive or natural numbers, we have unity, we have prime, we have composite numbers. Now unity is obviously 1. Prime numbers are those which are larger than unity and not have divisors except for itself or unity. So obviously this is the prime number, and the opposite to prime number is composite. The one which at least have one more divisor other than itself or unity, then it is a composite number. So these are the subdivisions of positive or natural numbers, unity, prime and composite. On the other hand, now we will discuss about the properties of the prime numbers. We will discuss all the things that is available here, like the that all the numbers system, all the real numbers, types of real numbers available here, but we will obviously start from the prime numbers. So first we will discuss about the properties of prime numbers. So what are these properties of the main properties of prime numbers, which is actually important for your CAT exam also, for learning the shortcuts of while solving the problems. As we will move forward, we will understand that solving these problems, solving some of the problems and knowing this kind of shortcuts is very important. So what are the properties of prime numbers? These are larger than unity, not have divisors except for itself or unity. Obviously these are common features, you all know that. Now the main thing which many of us doesn't know is if p is a prime number, then p square minus 1 is divisible by 24. This is a very important feature, and you should keep in mind that this is one of the most important feature while solving any problem. P square minus 1 is always divisible by 24. Sometimes short questions has been asked that whether it is divisible or not, or sometimes the implication of this concept is given within the problems in CAT or any other such parallel MP entrance exams. Now on the other hand, if a and b are any two odd prime numbers, then a square minus b square or a square plus b square will always be composite. This is also another good concept for implying this concept in any other problem. The sum of the problem may be easy. So let us consider an example as I have showed here. Let us consider two odd prime numbers, it's 5 and 3. So in these two odd prime numbers, if we subtract the square of these two prime numbers, that is giving me 16. And obviously 16 is a composite number. It is a 2 to the power 4 will give us 16, or 4 square will give us 16. So obviously 16 is a composite number. On the other hand, if we add these two prime numbers, 5 square plus 3 square, that gives us 34. So this is a composite number. Please keep in mind, sometimes people say that yes, 16 and 34, so these are always even numbers, but that is not the case. There may be some other odd numbers also. The case is that it is always composite. So doesn't make any type of conclusion that it is even number or it is an odd number or something like that. It is a composite number. So please keep that in mind. That is the most important thing that you should keep in mind. And now let's come to the point. Here we have done everything. Now for today we will discuss till this point, and we will be discussing the other points, the other how to find that that number is a prime or not, or the GCT, the LCM, all these things we will discuss in the coming lectures. And so for today, this is we have discussed up to this. And guys, if you have liked my video, then please click the like button, share my video among your friends, comment below about what things you want the next lectures, and please subscribe my channel and click the link bar, please subscribe my channel and click the button below. So thank you.